Cal is holding us hostage. Please, if you see this, please come save me.
What are you doing? Dear future soulmate, I am so uninteresting. Dear future soulmate, it is February 17, and I have to do my laundry. Dear future soulmate, today is Valentine's Day. Now, as you can see, I tried to start this episode of the series so many times this week. And every time I finished filming by the end of the day, I couldn't think of a story that I wanted to tell you. Until yesterday when I got on a call with my friend Reika, and today again when I got on a call with my mom, and they asked me, hey, what's new in New York? And I have nothing to say. But that's not entirely true, because I know that it's not true that my life is boring. But it's still hard for me to come up with things that are interesting about me. We're doing a camera test, so right now I'm wearing a wireless mic. And they're gonna be seeing what the range is for the mics. I have a hard time writing resumes because I have no idea what to say about myself that would make someone else hire me. When I got onto the varsity baseball team my freshman year in high school, the first thing I told my coach when he said congratulations was, really? Sometimes you have to look past the subjective truth that you believe and look at the objective reality that you've captured on camera. I'm literally watching the Kaguya-sama movie by myself on Valentine's Day. How lame is that? I meant to originally make this episode about the fortune cookie thing that you saw at the start of this video. Now you're probably wondering one big question, and that's, if today's February 17, why did the first shot say that it's December 17? And that's because it's a remnant of a video that I never posted because it was pretty bad. A video where I made that. This is a board of all of the fortunes from fortune cookies that I liked and I decided to keep. But one of the fortunes I've yet to put up onto the wall is this. Inspiration is within you. It's time to go deep. So dear future soulmate, this is what the past week looked like for me. And while I found it uninteresting, maybe there's something in this video that made you go, huh. So that's what Cal was like in February 2023. Sincerely, me.